वो कहते हैं ना प्यार अंधा होता है। It's said that love is blind. It's said that love is blind. वो कहते हैं ना वक्त सब कुछ बदल देता है। It's said that time changes everything. It's said that time changes everything. वो कहते हैं ना जैसा बोओगे वैसा काटोगे। It's said that you reap what you sow. It's said that you reap what you sow. वो कहते हैं ना हर किसी का एक दिन आता है। It's said that everyone has their day. It's said that everyone has their day. वो कहते हैं ना अच्छे कर्म कभी व्यर्थ नहीं जाते। It's said that good deeds never go unrewarded. It's said that good deeds never go unrewarded. इससे ज्यादा और मैं क्या समझाऊं? What more do I explain? What more do I explain? इससे ज्यादा और तुम क्या जानना चाहोगे? What more would you want to know? What more would you want to know? इससे ज्यादा और हम क्या कर सकते हैं? What more can we do? What more can we do? इससे ज्यादा और वे क्या सोचेंगे? What more will they think? What more will they think? इससे ज्यादा और कौन क्या कहेगा? What more will anyone say? What more will anyone say? कम से कम एक बार कोशिश तो करो। At least try once. At least try once. कम से कम अपनी गलती तो मान लो। At least admit your mistake. At least admit your mistake. कम से कम सच तो बोलो। At least tell the truth. At least tell the truth. कम से कम मुझसे बात तो कर लो। At least talk to me. At least talk to me. कम से कम मुझे समझने की कोशिश तो करो। At least try to understand me. At least try to understand me. मैं जो कहता हूँ उस पर हमेशा कायम रहता हूँ। I always stand by what I say. I always stand by what I say. मैं अपने वादों से कभी मुकरता नहीं हूँ। I never break my promises. I never break my promises. मैं अपने शब्दों का पालन हमेशा करता हूँ। I always follow through with my words. I always follow through with my words. मैं अपने कथन से कभी पीछे नहीं हटता। I never retract my statements. I never retract my statements. मैंने जो कहा है उस पर हमेशा अडिग रहता हूँ। I always remain firm on what I've said. I always remain firm on what I've said. तुम मुझे यह क्यों समझा रहे हो? Why are you explaining this to me? Why are you explaining this to me? तुम मुझे यह क्यों बता रहे हो? Why are you telling me this? Why are you telling me this? मुझे यह जानकारी क्यों दे रहे हो? Why are you giving me this information? Why are you giving me this information? तुम यह बात मुझे क्यों कह रहे हो? Why are you saying this to me? Why are you saying this to me? तुम्हें यह मुझे बताने की जरूरत क्यों महसूस हुई? Why did you feel the need to tell me this? Why did you feel the need to tell me this? मैं तुमसे एक सवाल पूछ रहा हूँ। I'm asking you a question. I'm asking you a question. मैं इसे आसान समझता था। I considered it to be easy. I considered it to be easy. मैं तुम्हें ईमानदार समझता था। I considered you to be honest. I considered you to be honest. मैं उसे समझदार समझता था। I considered him to be wise. I considered him to be wise. मैं इस काम को महत्वपूर्ण समझता था। I considered this work to be important. I considered this work to be important. मैं तुम्हें भरोसेमंद समझता था। I considered you to be trustworthy. I considered you to be trustworthy. तुम इतने हैरान क्यों हो? Why are you so surprised? Why are you so surprised? तुम इतनी हैरानी में क्यों हो? Why are you in such shock? Why are you in such shock? तुम इतने अचंभित क्यों हो? Why are you so astonished? Why are you so astonished? तुम्हारी हैरानी का कारण क्या है? What is the reason for your surprise? What is the reason for your surprise? तुम इतने चौंक क्यों रहे हो? Why are you so startled? Why are you so startled? आपका गुस्सा जायज है। Your anger is justified. Your anger is justified. आपका क्रोध उचित है। Your anger is reasonable. Your anger is reasonable. आपके गुस्से का कारण सही है। The reason for your anger is valid. The reason for your anger is valid. आपका क्रोधित होना वाजिब है। It's fair for you to be angry. It's fair for you to be angry.